Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel.
My YouTube
Today
channel.
is 29th, Saturday.
Yay! And we are
One.
show Akshara in the background doing the logistics.
I'm ready. I've worn my sunglasses.
How have you been, Ruben?
Chill. Oh, I can see myself.
Yeah, it's a preview.
Let me fix my hair. I
This is
put
gonna go in the
some-
video, Ruben.
Okay, good. Yeah, sure.
So we are supposed to have a car somewhere, but we'll figure it out.
It's coming. Else we're walking.
Brightsy, please say hi. So nice to meet you. Baby.
That's a
He's so people friendly. Sorry, why don't you
It's a terrible sit. No, my dog's even worse. That's a really bad.
We're gonna make Ruben dance. Here you go. मैं इसको बोलती थी कैसे सोडा वोडा शुरू कर रहा है कुछ करना है क्या करना है
This is when you get her stage towards the stage.
Oh God, that was so complicated. I didn't follow only what she said.
बट करना कब है ये बता दो हाय बेबी हेलो हेलो आई एम हैप्पी ऑलरेडी इन दिस वेडिंग so many lovey dovey's Ruben, tell us what's happening.
My feet hurt and I want to get out of these
You know, for
shoes.
someone who's wearing shoes,
But they're
you're
not
not
shoes,
allowed
they're
to.
like these like prickly leather things. They're like
why
so
did you buy
hard.
them?
It's for fashion. You can suffer for style but only
Fashion
so
over
much.
personality.
We have to. Man, I liked you. You were damn funny.
Did we clear a misunderstanding here?
Are you talking about me or Mom?
Both.
no. It's actually literally the
Tanvi
first friend I made at Srishti.
No, Tanvi is a big person for you and forgiving me for that.
I know, right? But my sister hasn't forgiven me yet.
Yeah, yours. And yeah. Me, it should be just glass of water.
Ruben, give a list of your non-negotiables at your wedding, which you are telling us.
This guy would आपके शादी
Pandit ji negotiable.
I don't know. There's this Punjabi guy, he'll come to your wedding and then he'll... No, he already exists.
Okay.
He'll come to your wedding, he brings these like drums like this and before you throw your food, you can put it back into those drums and then he'll either distribute the food or give it away.
Wait, wouldn't that be just like a mix of a lot of different food?
No, so what you not touch that. So in today's plate, you would have seen a lot of things were not touched only by people, but they still threw it all. So he segregates it and then he...
So you'll have that at your wedding.
I call that guy only. I followed
Okay.
him stuff. So I call him.
Cool.
He's my new
Ruben, what's happening?
It might be at the wrong location.
You might be at somebody else's wedding. We're not supposed to.
I think we're actually at somebody else. It's like 200
No.
meters from here.
No, it is somebody else's. Okay, so we are apparently way behind than when we are supposed to be. So we're gonna go to the other venue now. This is not our wedding place. The most craziest. If we die, we're gonna die in at least good clothes. Bro. We are again walking through some place. Oh, fine. There's quite little walking in the square. We're finally at the right place. Girlhood. Where's the outfit from Ruben?
I don't know her name.
Oh my god.
Oh, I got it. Her name is Anupri. Yeah, I'm wearing Anupri, moon brooch, fatigue.
Okay.
Sarojini Nagar se.
Bye guys.
Oh my god, you know how hard it is to make
cafe at the time is, I'll invite them to have like a coffee and matcha bar. So you can have matcha clouds and like ice pour overs.
Why don't you give a
Yay.
workshop?
I'm gonna give guy reviews here.
I think everybody's a zero on that.
There's zero guys here, zero. Why did we two tall guys? One looks like a waiter to her.
Yeah.
Because he's dressed like a waiter, but he's not a waiter.
But he's not wearing any coat, just shirt and pants.
And the other guy is married because he's
I
just
don't think
around.
he's married as girlfriend. So girlfriend
What
means
is
chance.
What is the sister?
Best bro, best is so tall.
We should try it out.
I think we should try it out. Maybe you should buy us a drink. We're all free here.
How does it feel to be chickens and not go on stage? Starting with Maithili. Tanvi, how does it feel to be a chicken? Akshara, how does it feel like to be a chicken?
Guys, they cancelled on us. We didn't do shit.
Disappointed. I want to ask everybody a
Who's
question.
the famous person that
Yeah, who do you want to perform at your wedding?
Oh my gosh, Shah Rukh. Harry Styles. Bieber
to start, then One Republic, then Imagine Dragons, then Alan Walker.
This is not Lollapalooza.
Coordinating 4 people is very difficult. For the video, please come. Don't nothing, just for the like invitation thing. Aaj jo camera mein
Sing Churalia and Dukhish
You are useless. Useless.
I got distracted by
for the wedding.
Why?
Akshara, say hi.
Hi. Why would you wear shoes that kill
Roops.
Hi,
For the
friend.
gram.
No, see, these I brought for this outfit.
This is
and
my
for the
first
white
Gurudwara wedding, so I'm very
outfit.
excited.
This is the only brown one I brought. Hi, friends. Gurudwara day, main day, fun day. We're early, which is very unlike us. We might be the first people then. So if anyone wants to get married before we do,
me?
speak now.
I might.
Me too.
Outfits are already on point. We'll act like the theme was pink anyway.
One of my friends just got proposed. Not friends. One of my classmates just got proposed. I'm getting.
I know our location then. See you.
We just need a guy and then we're ready to marry.
Yeah, the guy is missing. That's the problem.
We are all dressed up.
और पूछने को मिला है?
Gurjot was so pretty.
Gurjot looked very pretty.
अच्छी बातें बताएं.
And everybody was so pink. That was also very nice.
अच्छे.
Except Ruben.
You're
Except Ruben. Ruben is lilac.
Guys, this is
It's
pink.
borderline.
Oh my! This is the best day of my life. That's the best thing I've ever seen
Oh
in my
my God,
life.
that
I
was
need
so
that.
cute.
I need that.
You
What
could
is
have
the best
shouted a
thing?
little less.
Did you see that doggo on the bike?
No.
It's right there. Can you see? Look straight. Oh, it's gone.
Oh my god, so cute!
I'm always so nice.
Ruben is still crying about his shoes.
No, and I'm so nice to myself, so I can't. I'm never ever uncomfortable. So this is so
Imagine
rare.
what he feels like.
Now we
Pain.
know what it feels
I
like.
always empathize, but yeah,
Can't do anything
it's different
about
to.
it, no. Unless you carry your girlfriend around when she's wearing heels, then there's no compensation.
Exactly. Wearing those shoes.
Plan that. On that. Part 2. Tick.
Yay.
Yummy.
Come.
We look dope, Leo.
Simping over.
At least me. Are you taking a photo or video, sir?
Photo.
Can someone give me some content? Hello. Illegal.
Hello, भैया.
मैडम फोन पे बात कर ले पहले। जो लेट्स गो।
No,
We do a cheers.
I'm losing my shit. मुझे दोनों मीठे दे दिया मैंने तुम्हें मांगे भी नहीं।
फट गई है।
Because I was gonna call.
Cheating. Okay.
एक हाथ has been an accident.
Mistakes happen.
You guys are so late, very puri.
I need a rating on 5, Akshara.
Really? Crazy. It's not very good. Did you minus में या कितनी पढ़ाता?
मैम आपको खाना नहीं आता क्या? आप कितना टाइम ले रहे हैं? Hello.
I don't know, sir. Can you turn around to take the group?
No.
Fourth and final event.
Back at it.
What event is this?
Reception.
Reception.
I think.
Yay! And it's a cute, pretty place.
That has a mirror.
Oh! Hey, wait.
Morning.
वो लोग चले गए.
The vlogging life is not for them.
Yeah, exactly.
Guys, vlogging life is not for y'all.
Yeah, I actually get it.
Australia can be We've been here for 2 hours now. We were the first to come. I set up that tent over there.
I married Gurjot and her take.
Not
We are in
like
line to
other
meet the
things.
bride and the groom. And these people won't shut up.
Yo, when next? Okay.
What happened, guys? Tell us what happened.
Someone gave me their photo, but doesn't know whose phone it is anymore.
They took a selfie.
And they took a selfie with it.
Oh, is it? Yeah. Hey, I wanted to be in the selfie.
पीछे जाना पड़ेगा भाई.
एक काम कर, ये छोड़, go there, go with them.
I don't know what happened with Ruben as a photographer now. Sad.
How many times did we discuss it? Honestly. Literally like every 2 days we were discussing about this one thing.
You want to go back and get it now.
Go for it.
You don't know.
Photo
No, she
booth.
has more than you.
Photo booth.
Ooh, now I can see.
Ooh, goosebumps.
I'm cold. I'm also cold to touch.
You were cold the second we came here.
Your complexion is very Edward.
Mine? Is that
What
good?
is it?
Who's Edward?
Twilight.
Edward's cool.
No, he's very
Oh my
hot.
god, isn't that a big compliment for Ruben?
He's such a hot. She's only talking about the complexion. Not the features.
That's a fan.
Not the features.
I think his features are okay. I don't like him.
Are you guys talking about me or?
One is gonna be at 3 poses.
I think Medley has it.
Yeah, we can practice some mug shots. Because Akshara has plans after this.
What are you talking about?
Guys, we have to workshop these poses before. We can't just go like.
We can.
We're gonna do. Hey, we're gonna do this twice, no? Okay.
Where's the camera?
It's right
No.
here. That's
And we have to
Is
be
that?
guys, this is for the book.
Hi,
It's
good lighting.
great lighting.
I really like this one.
We have to go again.
This is so cute.
We have to go again because we need 2 prints. Actually. The crazy ones.
Yeah.
Thanks, mother.
We are people pleasers.
I just said it to my mom.
How will your mom know this?
Pearl,
She'll upload it,
we're
no?
sorry for this, but
Yeah.
your son is a
Bad
people
attitude.
pleaser.
Bad attitude. Should be self first.
Which one do you want? Is she a people pleaser, guys? Is she a people pleaser? Big question.
Big question, are you a people pleaser?
Or we'll just do random if no one can pick.
Okay, so everybody is a people pleaser here apparently, so we're gonna shuffle and whatever we get, we get.
But who's picking first?
Who's the youngest here?
What is
Mentally, I
that? Really? How old are you? Me? 25.
Month. Tell us the month.
I'm 20. I think I'm
So
26.
then she is, no.
It's Ruben's birthday soon. It can be Ruben.
We are doing youngest. We just did youngest. Okay.
Okay, so she's youngest then.
Don't show it. Just hold it till others.
Okay.
Yeah, don't show it till others take. That's true.
Oh my god.
Can you just stop?
Okay, then.
Me? Can I see?
No,
we will.
now it's you.
Oh, so you've done.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. I got a cute one. I got the cute one. Akshara got the cute one. See, Akshara, when we were telling you choose, you should have chosen.
No, it's fine.
disappointed face.